It's time to spring out of bed for a great brew with the Morning Bloom Electric Gooseneck Kettle. We designed this premium kettle so you can make the perfect pour over and brighten things up every morning. The Morning Bloom comes with the kettle, the base, the lid, and this priceless little booklet full of tips for crafting pour over perfection. Getting the Morning Bloom ready to brew is as simple as plugging the base in, filling the 1 liter body with water, making sure you don't fill past the max line, placing the kettle on the base, and rotating the dial to set that perfect pour over temperature. Hot tip, it's 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, using the dial and button, you can super easily set different hold times, switch between measuring modes, and even start a timer. The two most important qualities of any electric kettle are heating fast and maintaining temperature. And that's a check and a check. The Morning Bloom gets up to boiling in less than 5 minutes, and the precision sensors keep it within a degree of what you set it at. As the water heats in the kettle, it leaves just enough time to grind your beans, grab your mug, get your pour-over apparatus warming, set it all up, and have your coffee ready to meet steaming water. Then a pleasant little beep and some blinking lights tell you the Morning Bloom is ready to get tipped over and poured out. I'm feeling especially caffeine-starved this morning, so I'm doubling down and making a 2-cup pour-over. That means 50 grams of ground coffee at a medium coarse grind setting and a total yield of 750 grams of bean juice. I'll start the timer and get my first pour going, referred to in coffee circles as the bloom. For the bloom, I'm pouring 100 grams of water and letting it rest for 30 seconds. After that, a slow, steady pour in circular motions, out then in, until it hits its final mark. The Morning Bloom is equipped with a smooth, ergonomic feel from the counterbalanced handle and a steady, perfectly paced pour from the precision gooseneck and hydrodynamic pouring system. There it is, pour over perfection. No thanks to me, all to the Morning Bloom, the best kettle for any aspiring barista looking to make cafe quality pour-overs at home. And there's a whole Greater Goods family of magic morning coffee gear, each piece bringing something unique to the pursuit of that perfect cup. If you're looking to bring precise pouring to your home, check the Morning Bloom out today so you can make your kitchen happier and more caffeinated. It's good.